Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you close Spotify account. So firstly, go to your web browser and search for Spotify because it's actually advisable and it will work if you do this on your web browser rather than using the app, because I don't think you'll see this option in your app. So it's better to use the Spotify web browser. So I mean, access the Spotify via the web browser. So once you search for Spotify, click on the first option here, I mean the Spotify website, and then once you get to your Spotify website, just log in. All right, so log in with your account. So once you've logged in, so you're on your home page. So here, click on your name here, click on the arrow next to your name, and then click on account. So when you get to account here, what you have to do is scroll down. All right, scroll down, and oh sorry, you don't need to scroll down, you just straight away, once you're on your account, just straight away um, hit support, like go to support, just click that, and then here search for close account. All right, so just search for it, and then when you search for it and choose the option closing your account and deleting your data, just choose that. And then if you have a premium account, choose this option here under got premium. If you don't have a premium account, then choose this one, close your account and delete your data, the second option here. So since I have a premium, so I'll choose the first one, close your account. And here what happens, it's pretty much straightforward. All you have to do here is that you just need to click on close my account and delete my data, and then it's going to ask you for a confirmation, and then you just need to confirm it, and then press the continue after, and then just follow the prompt, and within a few steps you'll be able to like delete your account. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.